Today we're making tortilla pockets. Pockets because we're gonna fill our tortillas like pockets. First, we're gonna take the cucumber and cut off the ends and throw the peels and throw those in the trash. Then you're gonna peel it over the trash. Almost done. Done. Now, I'm going to take the cucumber pieces that are already cutted, throw them in the trash. Okay. Now you're going to cut the cucumber into lots of little lines. First, cut it in half. That's what you always want to do first. Okay, then you can break it apart, turn it upside down, make it into lots of little strips. Cucumbers are hard to cut. Okay. Done cutting up the cucumbers. Now, we have to cut up the pepper. Remember to rip off the sticker. Okay. Throw those pieces in the trash. Cut these pieces into get these big pieces now into little pieces. Okay, now that I have the peppers cut up, I'm going to set the lettuce to the side and start toasting the tortillas. Waiting for the to stay. They're done. Then I take them out. Hot. Ooh, those are hot. Are you too big? There you go. Okay, now that I have my two over here and two toasted, I can start making the hummus wraps. I mean the tortilla pockets, sorry. First you get some hummus. You get some hummus on your spoon and you spread it on the tortilla to make everything stick and the tortillas stick together. Okay, now when you're done putting the hummus on, you can layer out the vegetables in a straight line because you're gonna roll it up. Or you could fold it. I think I'm gonna fold it. So I'm gonna put it until it's been half. That ones are done. They're hot, really hot. Okay, now see, this is what it could look like, but then you're just gonna fold it. Ta-da! Do you want to learn how to make healthy foods without a grown-up? I'm Cora and I can teach you.